I found a pen. No, come here. No, sit. See, the cat's not even afraid of you because you're just dull noise. Yeah, you are. Hey. You drooled on me. Who's a good kitty? Hmm? You got hair all over. There he goes. Yeah. Whoop. Where's the kitty? Where's the kitty?
My computer's being weird.
Huh?
It's like... there aren't any tabs open, but they're like...
Where'd it go, kitten? Pio. Ricky, piushta. Ushta, mashta, ushta, come here. Got your kitty. Come here. Okay, good girl. Yes, you are. Good girl. Okay, kids, say bye-bye. Well, there, he's already gone. Where are you going to go? I'll go outside and play. Thanks for slobbering on me. Thanks for subscribing. I hope you did. I'll go outside. Good girl. So if you like what you saw, please thumbs up. If you want to see more, please subscribe. And as always, please do comment. And we will be eternally grateful.